Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I'm shooting this with my new camera. It's a Pixel 4 XL, and I ordered this case for it. It's just a cheap case. I'm not even gonna give you the name of it or anything, but it was like a $5 case. I wanted to order something quick because the case that I like for my Pixel phones is not made yet because the 4XL is a brand new phone. So this is like temporary, but I want something that's got some grip on the edges, right? So it doesn't slide out of your hand like that. This one has got pretty smooth edges, just like the camera has extremely smooth edges. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do is take my Dremel and take I'll probably try with this wire brush first and just rough up the edges on it. So it's just trying to do like a froggy improvement on this case. I don't care if it looks roughed up. I want it to be roughed up. So let's try that. Here we go. Okay, so I've got my little wire brush attached there, and I'm learning this new camera too as we go along. So I'm probably gonna need two hands, but basically I'm just gonna take it like that, hold this in my other hand, and rough it up, okay? This is just quick and dirty, so I'm really not gonna bother setting up the tripod, but I want you to get the idea of how to do it. Okay, well that's not doing anything at all. It's not roughing it up. So I've got a cutoff wheel that should put some marks on here. I guess it's a pretty tough material. Let's put the cutoff wheel on there and try that. Okay, I'm setting up the tripod and I put the case in my vise on my workbench. So, oops, sorry, just bumped into the tripod. There. All right, this thing's getting a little crowded here. There. All right, let's try this. Remember, always wear glasses when you're grinding. I'm going to do like a cross hatch, like just an X, like that way and that way. Now this is definitely going to do something because it's a cutoff wheel. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, I just hit the switch with my hand. Okay. Now this is a little trickier because the wire wheel kind of flex a little bit and wrap around here. This is just going to cut one little spot there. So I'm going to have to do like 5 or 6 passes each way. Well, it's still not very rough. A little bit better. Oh, God. Not really the texture that I want so far. Maybe I just gotta lean into it a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. I just have to lean into it a little more. Now I'm starting to get some texture. Alright. Let's see, I even cut it a little bit there. Let's go the other way. So obviously I'm trying to make like an X mark. Oh, okay. Now we're getting somewhere. That might even be enough. Whoa, wrong way. Okay, let me take this out and I'm going to compare it side to side. Yeah. See, this is slippery, much less slippery. But still, it's not so bad that I can't, I can easily stick it in. So I like that. I'm going to do the other side. I'm not going to bore you with the other side. I'll shut this off for now, and then I'll come back with a finish. Okay. Oh, I don't know how good the lighting is here. But anyway, much better. Now it's got some grip to it. It's got some roughness to it. They put roughness on the back here. But why they would make the sides smooth, I don't know. Why anybody who makes cell phone cases would make the sides smooth. I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom because sometimes I just set it like this and it'll be on a desk or a piece, glass top on my desk, so it'll slide out. But I'm going to rough up the bottom a little bit too. Well, I just realized that this is actually a two-part case. For a $5 case, I would actually tell you the name of it if I knew what it was, but it's not even printed on here. It's obviously a Chinese case, but it fits together pretty good. Two parts. I roughed up the bottom, roughed up the sides. I don't need to do anything on the top. Top's okay. It's got cutouts for the speakers and the USB-C plug, the cutouts for the microphones. So, not bad. Maybe I will grow to love this and not have to buy the other case. The other case that I like anyway, I'll tell you, it's Caseology. That's what I had on my Pixel 3 XL. But hey, just go on Amazon or eBay and look for something that looks like this for Pixel 4 XL. Okay, I hope this helps you out. Give me a thumbs up or a like. Actually, I will, sorry, the kids are yelling across the street. I will put a link to this case on the video. Okay, how's that? See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.